In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur home screen wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 18. So whether you're using the iOS 18 wallpaper itself or you set your photos as your wallpaper, you can easily blur the home screen on your iPhone. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is swipe down under the speaker icon like this. Then to enter the lock screen on your iPhone without pressing the side button like this. Or better still, you can just press the side button. Then unlock your iPhone with your Face ID or Touch ID like this. Then once unlocked, just press and hold the screen. Then click on Customize. Select Home Screen. Then in this case, you can see I have my background blurred. So if you have the background fixable just like this, then you need to click on the blur button to enable it, or click on it to disable the blur. So once you disable blur, the background will be visible, but once blur is enabled, the background will not be visible. Then go ahead and click on Done at top right, then select the lock screen again, then go back to your home screen. That is it. So this is how you can easily blur home screen background or home screen wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.